Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so that you can get the latest notification about my new tutorials.
Hello and welcome to Fawad Leaks walkthrough videos. Today we are going to look at how to create virtual machine in Esxi. I know these are the basic, very light and very basic things what the person should be knowing, but keeping this in mind that these videos can help anybody who would like to learn about Esxi. So I'm going from the base and trying to build it from the scratch. So in order to create a VM, in my other video I've already shown how to upload an ISO file to a data store. So of course that would be required when we would be creating a virtual machine inside ESXi server. So I've logged into ESXi server. So in order to create virtual machine we would need to have ISO available. Let's go to data store and see what ISOs we have. Currently I have Windows and my router ISO. I don't have CentOS iOS. So what I would need to do, if I want, for example, CentOS, I'll upload CentOS over here. But let's say I would be using Windows. I would be creating a Windows machine. So let's go here, register a virtual machine. Sorry, my mistake. So we will go to virtual machines. We'll click on create virtual machine or register virtual machine. We are not going to talk about these two options right now because we have these options available for different things. Definitely we probably would like to see this in the later tutorial, how we can import an OVF or OVA file, or if we have existing virtual machine which we can register back to virtual server. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a new virtual machine, and then I would name it as maybe my Active Directory, for example, right? Or maybe I'll name it as DC. Whatever name I would like to choose, I can choose. I'll say Windows based operating system, and then from here I would say maybe this is my Windows 2012 R2 64-bit. Alright, then I'll go next. I'll select the data store. Then the next place is where I would be selecting the hardware resources for this particular machine. The important thing to note over here is we need to select the ISO file which we would like as an image. So I have selected a Windows based data store file from here, and now I'll click next and I'll say finish. Before booting it up, I can simply just right click on this and I can go to edit setting and just review if there is anything which I would like to change over here. Maybe I would like to change the network adapter to something else, or anything else you feel you would like to change over here. So now I'll just say save, and then I'll just simply boot this machine up. I have multiple options. I can click over here, right click, and then say power on. I can open a console. There are multiple options, so I can just simply click on power on from here, or I can click on play sign over here to open this VMware virtual machine, and you see now it's booting it up. So this is how the process would go on. It will install this virtual machine following the process, whatever would be the installation process of that particular operating system.
Thank you so much for watching Fawad Leaks walkthrough videos. Please comment, subscribe to my channel and let me know if you need to know more about any of the products I'm talking about.